Hey, how you doing? Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas, and me and Buddy already went over to Rachel's and hung out with her. And I got a lion's blanket, and then I guess I'm going over to Richard's family's place. Yeah, pray for me because I'm gonna be around all new people. And Mr. Buddy over here is already wanting a break. Yeah, he's already wanting a break. He's like, I need my downtime. Yeah, too much excitement. So we're in the back room and just relaxing till we have to go to deal with people that we don't know. Anyway, this is not what this is about. This is about, do you ever look at video footage that you think you're just gonna, okay, I don't need that. Then you look at it and you go, man, I should really use this. Yeah, so, and guess what I did when I was at M-21? Somebody would take my camera away from me sometimes, I swear to God. I mean, I get some really cool stuff, but still, I got another van tour. I got another van tour. Yes. So, I want to show you this footage before I completely close out M-21. So, here we go. This is... Okay, so their YouTube channel name is Slow Lane Living. Wait. You have to write it a minute ago. Cut. Oh, look how cute. Hello. Oh, I love it.
Summer.
Hi, Summer. Hello, pretty girl. Hello. Oh, don't take off. We're gonna stay here. I'm being nosy.
Open the side door. You can film the. We built our own top.
You did? My name's Tina, by the way. I just don't mean to.
I'm Randy. That's Paula.
Okay, thank you.
Holy.
Look at Jack.
Hi,
Jack.
Hey, how you doing? Good. I'm Randy. That's Paula.
Oh, look at the pretty kitty. Aww. Oh, this is the first cat I've actually seen in a van.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, look, she has a cat. They have a, now what kind of toilet is that? Because it has a hose.
Compost.
Compost toilet.
Well, I took the stuff out. We got to go dump it.
Okay.
Nice.
Well, bye for your bucks. Good morning.
It'll last about a month.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Something like this would be ideal.
We cut the top out.
At least a transit van, if nothing else,
Welding friend of mine built the frame, and then me and Paula fight.
Oh my goodness. You gotta see that.
What's your channel?
Slow Lane Living with Paula and Randy.
Say that again?
See, I know I
Slow Lane
subscribed to
Living
your
with Paula and
channel
Randy.
because I like how you build it. I saw it. I love it.
Yeah, we did it together.
Well, my name's Tina.
Yep. I think I'm on your channel. I've been on your channel. I made a couple comments, maybe one or two.
Oh, really?
I haven't watched a whole
Awesome.
lot yet, and I've been watching your channel. Captain Jack just gave us that.
Oh, yeah.
I have to give you a sticker then.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have any of that stuff yet.
Okay.
just
Well,
started.
that way you can just.
Yeah,
I made mine. I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna give them out. That is awesome.
There and we're gonna empty our
So where are you headed to now?
We're gonna go back home. It's up in northern Wisconsin, so we'll take two coming back over the upper peninsula, and we're gonna camp, I think, for 2 days. We'll get closer to home and then camp for 2 days, and then
Oh,
camp.
awesome.
Because right now it's a pretty long drive,
Yeah.
so we thought we'd camp for 2 days. We still haven't had enough time.
Oh, look at they even have the tanks and everything. Oh, that is so nice.
I can keep trimming it up until like get down the base. How do you think I able to fit in that?
I know, I can't even believe it because all the stuff we got in the. You wouldn't think
Oh
all the
yeah,
stuff we have.
my minivan right now is so trashed. It is so trashed.
Some kind of peaceful place.
Yeah.
When we
I know.
drive behind you.
I don't even know how to explain it, but you just get
That's freedom.
goosebumps and stuff, and you're like, where are we going now? You know?
I tell myself, Why did I work for 40 years?
I know.
Before that, I traveled.
Yeah.
I traveled.
Yeah.
Now, my goal is I got one more year and I retire totally. I'm going to travel.
Yeah. He's going to retire in December.
Yeah.
So then we're
I'm going to go to August 7th.
Okay.
I mean, I'm actually retired,
You are.
but the boss wants to keep going.
Yeah.
So we're building houses.
I'm afraid that they're going to keep asking him to stay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I retired from dental hygiene. I cleaned teeth for 22 years.
Okay.
And then I did massage for 10 years. And my massage practice kind of died over 2019. Yeah.
I bet you already know that joke. What day do you have your dentist appointment? On Tuesday.
I think I've never heard that one. Really old.
Hello.
Slow lane living. Slow lane living?
Yeah, slow lane living. Hello, good morning.
Taking off from M-21, the first I'm seeing to leave.
Yeah.
You guys are never in the yard.
Well, we wanted to get close to home and then camp for 2 days.
Right. Oh, and we gotta say bye to Summer.
Summer, yeah.
Bye, Summer.
Shake the paw, Summer.
Yeah, she's been
What
good.
a sweet dog.
Yeah, she's been good. She doesn't like being on the leash all the time.
Only 2 years old.
At home, we don't have
Just
her.
a
Mm-hmm.
great puppy.
But all right, we're gonna head out. Thanks, guys.
All right, have a good
Had
one.
Great time. And
Safe travels.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting everybody.
Nice meeting you guys
Nice
too.
meeting you too.
Now we'll for sure know it.
Yes.
They're like, I saw you at M-21.
Yes.
Hey,
Hey,
Tina,
how you doing?
I thought you were gone this morning. I didn't see your van.
That's what
That's why I was doing a round circle, doing filming
Oh.
She
everybody.
could have done that. She could have
I let everyone
Yeah, I'm
party.
doing
So
my
to you,
editing video
unplug
right
and
now.
go.
Oh, I let everyone party,
Oh, I better
and
put
then I
that
came
in
back.
now.
Oh, last night?
I do that.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
I went over Sam's little area and we hung out and had a bonfire, and that was my first time I got to hang out with her. She's from New York, and I started My Life So Far.
Oh, okay. Back
Yeah.
where I'm.
Mhm.
Okay.
She left. Huh?
No, she's in her little spot sleeping. She's
Yeah,
she's
it's a lot quieter back there.
One of the
Yes.
That's why I'm back there.
yes.
Much better.
Yeah, so that's why I went back there last night because
Slow life living. Shit, I had to
Slow-
put an insert in there.
Slow lane living.
Slow. See, I'm doing editing my video right now.
holy cow. How can you see that? It is so small. Look what he's doing. I'm being nosy.
No, you're filming is what you're doing, Tina.
Yes, I'm being nosy filming. It's always really good. That's when you get the best stuff.
Yeah, the candid shots.
See, I put them so, see, I didn't know their channel name, so like, I will put it in later.
I've made that mistake.
Slow lane
And then
living.
you can't remember.
Slow
Yes.
living.
And if I was by myself, it's even worse.
I
Somebody-
subscribe to
I'd
that
call her
channel
and say,
because
"What
I
was
like
that
what he's
guy's
building.
name?"
On
Right.
on the-
Well, that's a good question because I can't remember your channel name.
Land
Land
Cloud
Cloud
Adventure.
Yeah,
Okay,
Land Cloud
Land-
Adventure. I put your sticker on my bulkhead last night.
Awesome. Yeah, the easy way to remember it, everybody remembers my two fluffy dogs.
Yeah, I know
They're like clouds on land, so land.
Yeah,
cloud.
okay, all
I
right.
know it,
Got
but
the
I don't
coolest
know what their
sticker.
channel is.
I love it.
So I will insert it later.
Yeah. Wow,
Yeah, I do
okay,
all
cool.
on my phone. I
That's
edit
insane.
on
Well, I got your sticker. I know that because I remember
Yep.
the cute little
And I made
doggies.
sure I got you one, right? Sticker in
Yep,
the car.
yep. We were over there and
Yep, we were-
I got,
the
we
I
were-
got
potluck,
10
I think.
minute
Yep.
video
Faces
pumping
out.
out today.
Oh man, I got so much stuff between 3 cameras. 3 cameras.
That's why I try to do it all in one place, all here, so that way I don't have to go
First
anywhere.
person up this morning was Tim.
I've been
Well,
up since
actually,
5.
I guess I could say
I
I
was
know.
gonna
I
say
was
I've
gonna
never
say
been
that.
up
I've
there.
been up
Yeah,
since
like, okay, I might as well
5.
gotta get up and go take a shower.
Actually, the light that was
I
shining
just
on
wasn't
the flag
out.
was illuminating the interior of the
No,
school.
your interior.
Oh,
was
my
lit
interior
up.
was
And
on?
then like,
Okay.
oh man, Jack, I'm getting
Okay,
up
it
too.
must have. It was my Coleman lantern then that was on.
So is that a platform up top that
Yeah.
people can stand on?
Yeah, it's a party deck.
Okay, that is cool. Because when we did the picture.